pushing this way. Not too bad for it. 6.0 POWERSTROKE 4 2004. We're going to replace the alternator with troubleshoot it. Check this video, what we did to find it out. Is it good or bad? And let's disconnect our negative battery terminal first. 8mm, break it loose, and take it off. Same thing on another side. Let's take this guy off, make sure we don't have a vehicle ground. Can take it apart safely and won't short anything. Okay, good. 1mm wrench or socket. Let's take the nut off. Disconnect this control wire. Just press this pin in and it should come out. Here we go. Yeah, good. Let's remove this upper guard and get access to the belt tensioner. As you can see here, the idea is to open that clip and pull it. It's almost halfway out, and yeah, we still have to kind of get a few clips. Okay, here we got it. Just pry this plastic and pull it out. To release the tension, we need a 1/2-inch ratchet, square, and the pipe. Turn the flasher on, and as you can see down there, it's an extra light. Have my ratchet on the belt tensioner, and we're pushing this way. Okay, let's release the tension. Take the belt off the alternator and make sure it won't drop. And get off the pulleys. Carefully move that tensioner back. Keep your ratchet intact. It'll be a pain to put it back. Okay. Yeah, let's drop the belt, make sure it won't fall, and get off the pulleys and make our life hard. Just simple like that. Make sure it remains. Something like that. Perfect. 3 13mm bolts to remove. 1, 2, 3 13mm bolts. Okay, 1, 2, 3. They're out. All electrical disconnected, and lift this puppy out. Yeah, that's all you can see. Black. Well, almost 200,000 kilometers. Not too bad, Ford. Not too bad. Always compare new part side by side with part you removed. Looks like they're identical, nice. And by the way, this is a IC Delca approved. Here's a number, and yeah, time for a new one. A good time to check if anything needs our attention behind the alternator. All wiring looks good. I don't see any mice droppings, and yeah, all cleaned, nice. Let's put a new one in. Always start bolts by hand. Follow a line. Let's go to our low speed and start tightening them up. That should be good. Perfect. Yeah. This temporary zip tie is off. Now we have to go another way and put the belt over the alternator pulley. Perfect. Slide. As you can see, all down there aligned, all perfect as it should. And now you can release the tension. Go and look. Checked one more time. Make sure all grooves on the belt align with the pulleys. And they are. And yeah, let's connect the electrical. Okay, let's ratchet out. To fit a ratchet easy, just go with your hands, feel it where the slot, and it's parallel to the top. And good. Good, perfect. Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, we have a battery pack hooked up and my booster cables. Let's go and try to fire it up. Let's unhook our cord, and we still have 13.7 volts, and I will call it fixed. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Very appreciated your time. If you like it, thumbs up. If it's helpful, subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.